Ever wish your car could sound like a V8 supercar without voiding the warranty? Well, this video is for you, because today we're going to have a look at the Kufatec Sound Booster that we've just retrofitted in this Audi A4. What you're about to see is 3 out of the 6 available tones. I'll give it a quick rev in each of the 3 tones, followed by a rev back in standard mode. So when you're ready for your car to sound awesome, just give us a call, as this system's compatible with most modern cars.